Has he even driven the skip before?
Very little.
Hey, where's the horn at? You gonna add time to that?
That's number.
You gonna add time to that?
He's just making it up as he goes.
I want 30 seconds after.
Well, what about the guy that just went before? He didn't add 30 for
Yeah,
him.
him too. You don't need no more time after one before, buddy.
He only did it once?
Who's in there?
That's
Been already in what?
yeah, that's yeah.
Minute 26.
I mean, let's call it what it is.
He might win the motherfucker.
He answers to it. That's what's wild.
I know.
Fucking answers
I
to
know.
it. I said, oh my God, you answered to that?
Leave it. Leave it.
Is that Trevor in there? Is that Trevor?
Hey, Dylan. Dylan. You do it? Post stuff.